Alright guys, now we're gonna go to Terminal A to do some videos there. And as a matter of fact, here comes the train. That was a perfect timing. Whoa, there is way too many people in there. Yep. Probably might just wait till Sam gets off. Yeah. So in the meantime, my camera is covered. No one's getting off. Oh, looks like people are getting off the back row. Looks like I'm probably just gonna stand.
Please stand clear of the doorway. When the doorway is clear, we will continue our trip.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia.
You are at the Marriott Hotel. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Usted se encuentra en el Hotel Marriott. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la Terminal B.
The only way you're gonna get it is by saying these are the words. Otherwise, you don't
There's Terminal B over there. You wanna go to A? Yep, we're going to Terminal A.
You are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la Terminal A.
Gotta love how she says it in Spanish. Yep. Here we go.
You are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la Terminal A.
Or you know what? I'm probably gonna stand just for the fun. Okay. There's the other train. Oh. Yep, there's the station that we're going past, because this is out of service. There's our music speakers and light fixtures up there. Oh! I'm gonna sit back down now. Turns are too stiff. Whoa. Yep. Whoa. Now I can stand back up. Yep, those are the Otis escalators up there. The elevators are too.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal A. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal B.
And let's go. And now we're gonna ride these Otis escalators up. It's kind of cold over here. Yeah. I mean, it's winter and it's still got
chilly down here.
Yeah. It's weird. Oh, it's cold in here too. Oh man. But yep. Of course, once again, these are Otis escalators, just like in Terminal B, of course.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get a view of the baggage claim here.
Yeah.
So yep, guys, if you guys have not seen my first video that I did of this baggage claim back in the summer in August, check that video out. So yeah, those are your baggage carousels right here. There's speakers up there. Yep, these are your music speakers up there. These are your baggage carts. Yep, more baggage carts right here. Yep, there's a walkway that goes to the parking, and there's an elevator right there that goes to the ticketing area, along with the escalators too. There's another baggage carousel right here as well. But yep, I'm getting a view of the ceiling. These are your light fixtures and your music speakers up there. Looks like the weirdest thing is this carousel is not moving. But yep, those are your trash cans right here. And yep, those are the elevators over there. And there's a set of bathrooms over there too. Yep, I'm gonna take a look in the bathrooms. I haven't shown the bathrooms in my other video, so.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Gonna get better.
Yeah, now let's take a look in the bathroom real quick. Yep, this is what the bathroom looks like here in Terminal A. These are your toilets, sinks, soap and paper towel dispensers, your trash cans and other stuff. More sinks right there. There's another mirror. So, and let's get out of here. Yeah, those are your shuttle information. Sitting areas.
Because you're gonna have a woman look at her face to face, Tanya looking at her, and me looking at her.
Yep, some more trash cans right there. These are your stops for the shuttle. The as well as more kiosks and stuff over here as well. And now we just made it to the north side of the baggage claim. More baggage carts over there. Now we're coming up to the east side. It's for Delta Airlines and stuff here. Yep, those are your baggage carts. And yes, I have the camera covered because of too many people here, and I don't want to get them on video at all. Or I'm going to get a view of the ceiling. Yep, those are your speakers up there. Yeah.
Air starts to A8. Air starts to A8.
Yep, there's another look at the music speakers up there. There's your air vents and your light fixtures. And I've been around this way already. Yep. Of course, once again, those are your music speakers up there. And other stuff. This is the south part of the baggage claim, of course. There's another stop with the shuttle, and your payphones are over there. And looks like, yep, so right now I'm going to stop the video here.